Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I have reapproved a Google Merchant Center, name of Nomano, today date 20 January, message option, and diagnostic account issue. There are no any issue. Product already active and live. This store ready to free listing. Free listing active. If anyone want to buy a reactive merchant center, or you want to fix your merchant center for reactivate, you should contact us or contact me in my WhatsApp number. I will show my WhatsApp number like this place after publishing this video. Thank you.